In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Notion. Linking text in Notion is a simple but really powerful way to keep your pages organized and easy to navigate. Instead of pasting long, messy URLs right into your notes, you can turn any word or phrase into a clean, clickable link. In this video, we'll focus on one of the fastest methods to do that, often called the paste-over technique. First, you'll want to start by copying the URL you want to link to. This could be a website, a Notion page, a document, or any valid link. Just go to your browser's address bar, click once to highlight the full address, and then copy it using your keyboard shortcut. On Windows, that's Ctrl+C. On a Mac, it's Command+C. Make sure the link is fully copied before you switch back to Notion. Next, go into your Notion page and find the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. This might be a heading, a short phrase, or even just a single word that describes where the link will take you. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag over that text to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when it changes color, just like when you select text in any other document. Now here's the key part. Instead of pasting your URL somewhere else, you're going to paste it directly over that highlighted text. With the text still selected, use the paste shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. Notion will automatically convert that selected text into a hyperlink that points to the URL you just pasted. You'll see that the text itself stays the same, but it becomes clickable, usually with an underline or a different color to show it's a link. If you hover over it, Notion will show a small preview of the URL so you can double-check that it's correct. This paste-over method is great because it keeps your writing clean and readable while still giving you quick access to other pages and resources. Anytime you have a URL on your clipboard and a piece of text you want to link, you can repeat these same steps. Copy the URL, highlight the text in Notion, and paste over it. That's all there is to it. With this simple technique, you can make your Notion pages feel much more interactive and professional.